Hello everybody, I am Dr. Madhura, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Today we will discuss a topic in vector calculus, that is gradient of a scalar field. Recall the formula for gradient. Grad phi is given by dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Note, the angle between two surfaces is equal to the angle between their normals. Suppose phi1 of xyz is equal to c1 and phi2 of xyz is equal to c2 are two surfaces, then cos theta is equal to grad phi1 dot grad phi2 divided by magnitude of grad phi1 into magnitude of grad phi2 gives the formula for angle between the surfaces, where theta is the angle between the normals. Also, note that if theta is equal to pi by 2, then the surfaces are said to intersect each other orthogonally. Hence, grad phi1 dot grad phi2 is equal to 0 is the condition for the surfaces to intersect orthogonally. Let's move ahead to problems. Find the angle between the surfaces x square plus y square minus z square is equal to 4 and z is equal to x square plus y square minus 13 at 2, 1, 2. Solution. The angle between two surfaces is given by the formula cos theta is equal to grad phi1 dot grad phi2 divided by magnitude of grad phi1 into magnitude of grad phi2. Let us call this as equation 1. The given two surfaces we will denote respectively by phi1 and phi2. So let us consider first phi1. Let phi1 be the given first surface, that is x square plus y square minus z square minus 4. Formula for grad phi1, dou phi1 by dou xi plus dou phi1 by dou yj plus dou phi1 by dou zk. With respect to x, differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of y square and z square minus 4, all are constants when we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of a constant is 0. Write down I cap as it is plus dou phi1 by dou y, partial differentiation of phi1 with respect to y. With respect to y, x square minus z square minus 4 is constant. Differentiation of y square is 2y into j cap as it is. Differentiation of x square plus y square minus 4 partially with respect to z is 0. So differentiation of minus z square is minus 2z into k cap as it is. Now let's find out grad phi1 at the given point. The given point is 2, 1, 2. That is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 2. Substituting x, y, z values in grad phi1, we get 4i plus 2j minus 4k. Now to find magnitude of grad phi1, formula for magnitude of grad phi1, square root of sum of the squares of the components. So 4 square, I component is 4, 4 square plus j component is 2, so 2 square. K component is minus 4, so minus 4 the whole square. Summing up, we get root 36, which is equal to 6. So magnitude of grad phi1 is equal to 6. Similarly, let us consider the expression for phi2. So phi2 is given by x square plus y square minus z minus 13. Grad phi2 formula dou phi2 by dou xi plus dou phi2 by dou yj plus dou phi 2 by dou z k. Let us differentiate phi 2 partially with respect to x, y and z. With respect to x, differentiation of x square is 2x. Y square minus z minus 13 are all constants. So differentiation of a constant is 0 into I cap plus phi 2 differentiation partially with respect to y. So y square differentiation is 2y. The rest all terms x square minus z minus 13 are constants. So differentiation of a constant is 0 into j cap as it is minus, it is minus because dou phi by dou z partial differentiation with respect to z is differentiation of minus z, which is minus 1. Minus 1. X square plus y square minus 13 is a constant with respect to z differentiation. So differentiation of a constant is 0. That's why minus 1 into k cap. Now we will find out grad phi at the given point. Given point is 2, 1, 2. Substituting x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 2 in the grad phi 2 expression. We get 4i plus 2j minus 1k. Now magnitude of grad phi 2 is obtained by square root of sum of the squares of the components. So 4 square is 16, j component 2, so 2 square, k component minus 1, so minus 1 whole square. The sum under the root is 21. Now let us substitute these values in formula, that is equation 1, which is given by cos theta is equal to grad phi 1 dot grad phi 2 divided by magnitude of grad phi 1 into grad phi 2. Substituting in that equation 1, we obtain numerator grad phi 1, which is 4i plus 2j minus 4k, dot product with 4i plus 2j minus 1k, that is grad phi 2, divided by magnitude of grad phi 1, which is 6, into magnitude of grad phi 2, which is root 21. Simplifying, numerator is a dot product. Recall, I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. Rest all dot products are 0. Keeping that in mind, 4 into 4 is 16. 2 into 2 is plus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. Summing up, numerator is 24 divided by 6 root 21. That is, denominator is grad phi 1, magnitude of grad phi 1 into magnitude of grad phi 2, which is 6 into root 21. Simplifying, we get 4 divided by root 21, the expression for cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 4 divided by root 21. That's a required angle between the given two surfaces. We'll see another problem based on angle between normals, that is angle between the surfaces. It is given with one surface and at two different points. Read the question. Find the angle between the normals to the surface xy is equal to z square at the points 4, 1, 2 and 3, 3, minus 3. Let us denote the given surface by phi. So phi is equal to xy minus z square. Taking all terms to one side, we get xy minus z square. First, we will find out grad phi. Grad phi at the given point, we have to find out. So grad phi is given by dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou y j plus dou phi by dou z k. Substituting, the partial derivative of phi with respect to x is, writing y as it is, differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of minus z square is 0. So we just get y into I cap. For the jth component, that is to differentiate partially with respect to y, write down x as it is. Differentiation of y is 1. Differentiation of minus z square is 0 into j cap. Now dou phi by dou z, with respect to z, differentiation of xy is 0 minus z square differentiation is minus 2z into k cap. Now to find out grad phi at the given point 4, 1, 2. Two different points are given. Let us find out grad phi at the both points. So grad phi at 4, 1, 2. Substituting x as 4, y as 1, z as 2. In the above expression, we get 1i plus 4j minus 4k. Let us denote this by grad phi 1. Similarly, we find grad phi at the second point, that is 3, 3, minus 3. That is taking x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, z is equal to minus 3. In the expression for grad phi, that is yi plus xj minus 2z, we get 3i plus 3j plus 6k. Taking 3 common, we get I plus j plus 2k. Denoting this as grad phi 2, we now find out applying the formula for angle between the normals. So angle between the normals is same as saying angle between the two surfaces. Here one surface was given at two different points. So let's find out angle between surface formula. Cos theta is given by grad phi 1 dot grad phi 2 divided by magnitude of grad phi 1 into magnitude of grad phi 2. Substituting, grad phi 1 is 1i plus 4j minus 4k dot product with grad phi 2, that is 3 into I plus j plus 2k divided by magnitude of grad phi 1. So square root of sum of the squares of the components of phi 1, that is I component is 1, so 1 square, j component is 4, 4 square, k component is minus 4, so minus 4 whole square into magnitude of grad phi 2. So magnitude of grad phi 2 again square root of constant 3, so 3 square into I component 1, 1 square plus j component is 1, so 1 square plus k component is 2, 2 square. Simplifying, numerator is the dot product of two vectors. Recall, I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. Rest all dot products are 0. Keeping that in mind, 1 into 1 is 1. 4 into 1 is plus 4. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Writing down 3 common outside as it is. Denominator simplification will fetch me root 33 into 3 root 6. So cancelling 3 both from the numerator and denominator, we have minus 3 divided by square root of 198, which can be written as minus 3 divided by square root of 9 into 22. Under the root, 9 can be written as 3. So 3 root 22. Cancelling of 3, we get minus 1 by root 22. So theta is equal to angle between the normals. Theta is equal to cos inverse minus 1 by root 22 is the required answer. Moving ahead. Next, we will see a problem on orthogonal condition. Find the constants a and b such that The surfaces ax square minus byz is equal to a plus 2 into x and 4x square y plus z cube is equal to 4 are orthogonal at the given point, that is 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. First, let us substitute the given point onto the first equation. First surface, that is 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma 2 is substituted into the expression ax square minus byz is equal to a plus 2 into x. Substituting x as 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 2, we get this expression a plus 2b is equal to a plus 2. Cancelling a on both sides, we get 2b is equal to 2 or b value is 1. Our aim is to find the constants a and b. Now, one of the constant was easy to obtain by substituting the given point on the given surface. To obtain the second value, second constant, that is a, we need to apply the condition for orthogonality. The condition for orthogonality is grad phi 1 dot grad phi 2 is equal to 0. So let us find out grad phi 1 and grad phi 2 at the given point. Firstly, denoting phi 1 as a first surface, ax square minus byz minus of a plus 2 into x. Find out grad phi 1 given by dou phi 1 by dou xi plus dou phi 1 by dou yj plus dou phi 1 by dou zk. Let us differentiate partially with respect to x first. Differentiation with respect to x is ax square differentiation, which is 2ax. byz is entirely a constant with respect to x, so differentiation is 0. Minus of a plus 2 is a constant. Differentiation of x with respect to x partially is 1 into I cap. With respect to y, the first term and the last term differentiation of phi 1 is 0 because they are constants. Minus byz differentiation is minus bz. Y differentiation is 1, so minus bz into j cap. The last term is differentiation partially with respect to z. Ax square minus of a plus 2 into x is a constant with respect to z, so differentiation is 0. Differentiation of minus byz partially with respect to z is minus by constant, writing down as it is. Differentiation of z is 1. So minus by into 1 into k cap. Now let's find grad phi 1 at the given point. The given point is 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 2. Substituting in the above expression, we get a minus 2 into I minus 2bj plus b k cap. Similarly, let us consider the second surface given, that is phi 2 equal to 4x square y plus z cube minus 4. Grad phi 2, formula for grad phi 2, dou phi 2 by dou xi plus dou phi 2 by dou yj plus dou phi 2 by dou zk. Let us differentiate phi 2 partially with respect to x, y and z. With respect to x, differentiation of 4x square y plus z cube minus 4 is 4y is a constant, writing down 4y as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So 4 into 2 fetches 8xy. Into I cap as it is. Differentiation of z cube minus 4 is 0 when I differentiate partially with respect to x. Second term for dou phi 2 by dou y. With respect to y, 4x square is a constant, writing as it is. Differentiation of y partially with respect to y is 1. So 1 into 4x square j cap. Differentiation of z cube minus 4 is again 0 since we are differentiating partially with respect to y. Last term, differentiation of dou phi 2 by dou z. Differentiation partially with respect to z. So 4x square y minus 4 is a constant. Differentiation is 0. Differentiation of z cube is 3z square into k cap. Now finding grad phi 2 at the given point, that is 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Taking x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 2. In the above expression for grad phi 2, we obtain minus 8i plus 4j plus 12k. Now, using the expression for grad phi 1 into grad phi 2 is equal to 0, we employ dot product between the grad of two surfaces. That is a minus 2 into I minus 2bj plus bk dot product with minus 8i plus 4j plus 12k is equal to 0. Applying the dot product, recalling I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1, rest all dot products are 0. So we get minus 8 into a minus 2, minus 2b into 4 is minus 8b, b into 12 is 12b, which simplifies to minus 8a plus 16 plus 4b is equal to 0. Since we have already obtained the value of b as 1, substituting b is equal to 1, we simplify for a. So a value we obtain as 5 by 2. Thus, a is equal to 5 by 2 and b is equal to 1 are the required values. Thank you.